what you see here is all of these products in an edit mode. Gives you a nice view as well here of the actual site, what it's going to look like. So as you build things, there's just a really quick instant feedback where you can see, what's working, how does it look for my visitor, and it's great. It really makes it easy to dial things in to get at what you want. So if we look at, we'll start with one of these here, the Join the Start and Grow newsletter. Because this is on Substack, it's a simple, URL redirect. And so you can add an image. I added a Substack image here. Here's where you can add your call to action and a bit of your information and a button to go. So very simple to, create this. It makes it pretty easy to make it happen. So that's what I got for this particular product. We published that out, and that lands like you see here. Same thing I did for the affiliate marketing mastery, the get my free content. So this is the lead magnet one. Very similar. Again, you create a nice thumbnail, you add your text and your subtitle, which is a call to action, and then you can collect information. I just got name and email, but you can add, SMS if you want to market that way. And then the simple thing, if you go up here, you can deliver that product. So here's the PDF of that system, allows them to download it. And here's the experience you see of them receiving that product. There's other options like email flows that you can add to this. So if you want to follow up, and then a confirmation email as well, which you can customize to, thank them for downloading this, redirect them to maybe the newsletter,